Who out there loves prizes? I sure do. So I told you guys I would be announcing the prizes on the 20th, and here I am doing that just for you. We've been talking about all this month, Love Your Life 2018, and I wanted to make sure that I presented 3 contests with 3 prizes that were definitely going to help you love your life in 2018. So are you ready? Here they are. The 3 contests are lose weight, gain health and vitality, or reverse aging. And you can participate in your favorite one, your favorite 2, or all 3 if you'd like. Each one comes with a prize just for participating. I'm going to put the links below for each contest so you can click on it. It'll take you right where you need to go to purchase your introductory kit to get started. And all the rules for the contest are below as well. The prizes. What are the prizes? Here they are. If you participate in Lose Weight, you get a free bottle of Vitaly, which is an amazing multivitamin, also works great as a prenatal, and a free bottle of vitamin D3. If you participate in Gain Health and Vitality, you get a free bottle of Basic H2, plus the Get Clean spray bottles that go with them for choosing either basic or advanced. However, if you choose comprehensive, you also get a bottle of Get Clean liquid laundry. All of this just for participating. If you participate in reverse aging, you get a free BB cream color. Wow! Amazing 5-in-1 anti-aging activated BB cream is yours. I also wanted to say that if you're vegan, contest number 3 is 100% vegan. We don't have to alter a thing about it. 1 and 2 are customizable to become vegan. So just contact me and let me know what you would like to do. The participation prizes are yours to keep. They're yours automatically for participating in these contests. So as soon as you sign up, I'll be sending them to you. And there is a contest winner for each of the 3 contests. So that winner will be chosen at random. And if you are the winner, let's hope that you are, you get $30 worth of merchandise off of my website, your choice. That's right, you get to pick your own grand prize, which is pretty awesome. There are some great grand prizes out there, but who doesn't want to be able to customize it just for themselves? Remember that this contest ends on March 1st, and there is a deadline for getting started. So read the information below if you're interested and sign up now. Let's get started so I can start cheering you on and you can start getting the results that you want for this year. So go for it. Love Your Life 2018.